Simplified's templates are an amazing way to jumpstart your designs. Let's begin by selecting graphic designs from the dashboard page. Now, there are a couple of ways you can go about browsing the template library. Simplified has thousands of professionally designed templates to choose from, so you can use this search bar here to search for a theme, an idea, an occasion, or a social media platform. You can also browse from these tabs here based on different types of designs. You can also choose a template by size. The great thing about Simplified is that our templates are already sized perfectly for each platform, so you don't have to worry about finding the right dimensions. If you scroll down, you'll start to see examples of our different template designs and options. Let's say that I'm looking for a Facebook post, so I'm going to click View All. And on this page, I can now see all of the different types of templates of graphics and videos for Facebook posts. I can browse by category using these icons here. And because there are so many options, I can find a template that fits my brand. Remember that once you choose a template, you can always customize and edit your designs once you are in your artboard. With Simplified's templates, you can save time and create fantastic and professionally designed templates in minutes. To use Simplified's design tools and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.